Click the bell icon to get latest videos from Ekeeda.
Hello friends, here we will learn the numerical number 1 which is based on high frequency analysis of BJT. In the given parameter, we have all the capacitances C mu, C pi, CCE, CWI and CWO with picofarad range. All the resistances are given and we ask us to find out the value of high frequency cutoff, that is FH. Now to move for high frequency cutoff, that is FH, we have to know the value of CMI and CMO, that is nothing but the Miller's input and output capacitance. For Miller's output and input capacitance, we have to know the gain parameter, but gain is not yet given, so we have to find out the gain. We have to do AC analysis, we have to do DC analysis, because GM and RE model ka RE is not given. So we have to start from the scratch, DC analysis followed by AC analysis followed by calculation of Miller's input and output capacitance, and then to calculate the value of FH1 and FH2. So this is how the flow for this numerical is. First of all, we'll follow DC analysis. Everything is known to us about DC analysis. We'll just open up all the capacitances and then we will find out Thevenin's equivalent resistance and Thevenin's equivalent voltage. We'll directly calculate the value of VTH. VTH is nothing but R2 upon R1 plus R2 multiplied by the value of VCC. Value of VCC is 20, R2 is equal to 22 kilo ohm, R1 is equal to 47 kilo ohm. And this value is coming out to be 6.37 volts. RTH is equal to R1 parallel R2. This value is nothing but 22K parallel to 47K. This value is coming out to be 14.98 kilo ohm. So we know the value of VTH, RTH. We can proceed further for input KVL by drawing the Thevenin's equivalent circuit. And then we will apply KVL for this input loop. We'll just write this sentence and directly we'll calculate the value of IB in the form of VTH minus VBE divided by RTH plus 1 plus beta times RE. The value of beta is given, which is 100. With the help of that, we will calculate the value of IB as 6.37 minus 0.7 divided by RTH is 14.98K plus 101 multiplied by, I can write it in terms of kilo ohm, 0.22 kilo ohm as 222 ohm. This value is coming out to be 15.26 microampere. This is the value of IB. We will proceed further for calculation of IC. ICQ itself is nothing but IC beta multiplied by IB. We'll be getting the value 1.526 milliampere. This is the value of ICQ. After calculation of ICQ, we will not proceed further to find out Q point. Here they have not asked us to find out Q point. Rather than that, we'll calculate the value of small re, which is nothing but Vt divided by ICQ, which is equal to 26 millivolts divided by 1.526 milliampere. Milli ने milli को मार दिया, we will be getting 17.5 0.04 ohm. This is the value of small re. Now this small re is important for us to calculate the value of gain. Okay. Next is AC analysis. Now in AC analysis, we'll directly draw the AC equivalent model quickly. This is your value of beta re. You can draw R pi model as well. Then you have to calculate the value of R pi as beta re. Vi and Vo is given. From this we will be getting the value of voltage gain, and that should be in the form of without load resistance and without source resistance. Fortunately in this particular example we don't have load resistance RL as well as source resistance RS. So we'll directly write Vo divided by Vi as, it's nothing but minus capital RC divided by small re. We'll just put the value of small re and capital RC. We will be getting the value of gain. Gain is minus 469. Approximately we are taking 469.06 is the value, and that we are taking it as 469 directly. So AV is equal to minus 469, that is our finding. We'll take this as equation number 1. This will incorporate to find out the Miller's input and output capacitance for high frequency analysis. So we completed second step, that is AC analysis. Now in third step we will go for high frequency analysis. Here as well we are shorting all coupling capacitors. And then we will draw AC equivalent model. This is your beta small re. This is your current, that is beta into IB. Again I am repeating, you can also draw the AC equivalent model in the form of R pi model, no harm. This is the resistance, that is RTH. Here is your input, grounded, emitter, resistance RC. About capacitors we have to include. Instead of drawing this C mu, I am writing this here CMI. At the input side we do have C pi, and that C pi itself will act as CBE. Wiring capacitance is given, so again I will add this wiring capacitance here as CWI, and all these capacitances are joined with ground. Similarly at the output side we will be getting the CMO, Miller's output capacitance, one wiring capacitance, and another where I have to draw, here I will draw, that is CCE. All are connected in parallel. So we'll bifurcate into two parts. One is input circuit, as we have done in high frequency analysis, and this is your output circuit, as we have done in high frequency analysis. So from both the circuits we will be getting the cutoff frequency at the high frequency side. But before that we have to calculate the value of CMI and CMO. We'll write that CMI is equal to CBC multiplied by 1 minus AV, and CMO is equal to CBC into 1 minus AV inverse. We know the value of AV is equal to minus 469. So minus 469 plus 1, that will become 470. So CBC multiplied by 1 plus 469, and here we will be getting CBC multiplied by 1 minus 1 plus 1 upon 469, and here we will be getting CMO is equal to CBC 1 plus 1 upon 469. Just try to calculate all these values CMI and CMO. This is because CBC is given, and that CBC is nothing but C mu 1 plus 469. Again I am writing C mu 1 plus 1 upon 469. Take a pause of 2 minutes, calculate this CMI and CMO, and again come back. C mu value is 12 picofarad, and we are taking 469 plus 1 multiplied by C mu, that comes out to be 5.69 nanofarad, and here we are getting 12 picofarad itself directly. We'll take input side first and calculate the value of FH1, which is nothing but 1 upon 2 pi RC. We'll calculate the value of R here. R is nothing but RB parallel beta into RE. RB is nothing but 17 point, beta RE is nothing but 17.04 multiplied by beta, that is 100, and this in parallel with RB value, that is nothing but 14.98 kilo ohm. This comes out to be 1.7 kilo ohm in parallel with 14.98 kilo ohm. Value is 1.52 kilo ohm. This is the value of R. Value of C we have to calculate. C is equal to CMI at the input side, input wiring capacitance, and C pi. This comes out to be 5.705 nanofarad. We'll put these two values in this equation. Then we will be getting the value is 1 upon 2 pi, R is 1.52 K, and this is 5.705 nanofarad. This is coming out to be 18 kilohertz. At the output side, again funda is same. FH2 is equal to 1 upon 2 pi RC. R is equal to, R is nothing but only one resistance, that is RC, 8 kilo ohm. And the value of C is coming out to be CMO plus CWO plus the value of CCE. Now put the value and get the answer of C, and then put here R and C and calculate the value of FH2. Take a short span of time of 2 minutes and then again come back. The value of RC is 8 kilo ohm and C is 22 picofarad. We'll put this in this formula 1 upon 2 pi. RC will be getting 1 upon 2 pi 8 kilo multiplied by 22 pico. This coming out to be 984 kilohertz. Now when we are looking for FH1 and FH2, simply the value of FH is equal to minimum of FH1 comma FH2. So we will be getting the value of minimum out of 18 kilohertz and 984 kilohertz, out of which 18 kilohertz is minimum. So your value of FH is equal to 18 kilohertz. So this is your final answer, that is nothing but higher cutoff frequency for the given circuit. You have to draw the frequency response with the point of cutoff frequency. This is your value of FH is equal to 18 kilohertz. This is your gain parameter in dB and this is your frequency in logarithmic with the unit hertz. So this is how we have completed actual frequency response numerical till end to find out the value of higher cutoff frequency. So this is how we have calculated the value of higher cutoff frequency. I hope you have learned a lot from this particular video. If you like this video, like, share and subscribe Ekeeda channel. Thank you very much.